You may see desert and sand, but this is actually the land that's been home to one of the oldest civilizations in the world. In Sanskrit, Sindhu actually means a great, mighty body of water. Well, I guess the name has stuck. Welcome to the land of Sindh. The river, this part of the world, has been home to some truly remarkable individuals. Now, they may not be here anymore, but their tales remain. Soni was the daughter of a potter. She fell in love with a man from out of town. He moved to her village just in order to be close to her. Soon enough, Soni was married off to another man. But their love didn't end there. They continued to see each other. And Soni would take a clay pot across the river, risking her life just to see her lover. One day, Soni's jealous relatives found out about their love affair, and they decided to put a brutal stop to it. They substituted her clay pot for an unbaked one, which would surely drown. These stories are told by peoples and cultures all across Pakistan. They flow just like the river that the two lovers drowned in. But in a land that merges fact and fiction so seamlessly, there were also some real, extraordinary individuals who lived here. Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, a poet and a mystic, is one of them. He is the one that initially wrote about Soni, and he is the one whose music you still hear today in Sindh, as poetry, as song. You know, Sindhis sometimes say that he is the one, along with the river Indus, that brought life to Sindh. He's not just a thing of the past, though. His work still lives on here, in this very temple, where every day his songs and his poetry and his words echo across the corridors of this revered place. This is the story of Oderala Zindapir, the living saint. Legend has it that once upon a time, Mir Shah, a local ruler in Tata, didn't treat his own population and his own community very well. And so it was Zindapir who allegedly came galloping in on a horse to save his people. Although others say that he came riding in on a palafish in the river. Whichever version you believe, he is the one that provides shelter and protection to all those that visit these lands in Sindh. The legends travel far, and no matter how far we travel in search of them, to the deserts of Sindh, they are already here. And though the heroes may be long gone, their spirit and their tale remain right here, in these shrines and temples, as paintings and inscriptions, and in the tales of the people that come here to pay their respects. And this is just one of the many tales that makes Pakistan legendary.